we recommend using some form of ESD protection, such as an ESD wrist strap, when working on one of our units. First, apply lots of solder to all of the joints. As the pins are so close together on ADAT ports, you can bridge them all at once. Using a pair of pliers, we can now remove the port. If enough solder has been used, the port should simply come out once heat has been applied. Remember to take it slowly and be gentle to avoid pad damage. A gentle rocking motion will help the port come out. Don't be afraid to use more solder if they're not coming out easily. A circular motion with the iron should help distribute the heat evenly. Now we can use a solder pump to remove all the solder. We now need to clean the burnt flux off the pads using flux remover. This will give us a really clean surface to solder onto, making soldering much easier. Now we can insert the new ports. A good tip for soldering them is to use your finger to apply pressure to the bottom of the port. You can then use a small amount of solder to secure the port in place. The other pins can then be soldered without the port moving. Remember to not use too much solder and use other pins on the board as reference. We can then clean up all the burnt flux with flux remover.